Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Sometimes when you're setting up your networking equipment, it can be such a mess with all of the cables and all of the little things. So we were really excited to get some organization. We really love this Starlink router mount from XLTTYWL. This is really nice to be able to mount both the power supply and the router itself and have a place for the cords to go and keep it all organized and neat and tidy. So we used basically just a wood board mounted to the wall in our basement for all of our networking equipment, and it's worked out really well to have everything in its place. So this mount was very easy to install, and it has done a great job at holding both the router and power supply in place. Having everything organized also makes it easier to troubleshoot if you're having any problems with your internet. So it's just really nice to have it in such a neat and tidy way. So if you're looking to organize your networking life a little bit, then definitely recommend this mount, and that's my point of view.